Hello everyone and welcome back to the BOOKR class tutorial video sequence. In this video, I will show you what your child can see in the BOOKR class application and how it works for them. Let's open the laptop version of this app again. And as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, I'm using a Mac laptop version of the BOOKR class app. But don't worry, because it looks and works exactly the same way in any other devices and operating systems. So now we are logged into Abby's account. This is a child account, and you can probably see that it is a little bit different from what you can see as a parent in your library view. Let's quickly go through what these buttons are about. The interest button lists all the books that are related to the child's interest. Now, what are the child's interests? You can check this by clicking on the child's profile. And you can see all the interests here that she picked at the time of the first login. If you click on Show All Interests, it's possible to change these interests, and it's also possible to remove old ones. Always save changes, and when you go back to the interest section, the books will update accordingly. Under the Favorite section, you can find the books that the child has marked with this little heart. If you go back to all the books, you can see that every single book cover has a little heart icon in the bottom left corner. Click on it and it will be added to your favorites. Here we go, it's already appeared. Under Continue, you can find the books that the child has already started reading, and this little white line indicates how far she or he got within the book. And last but not least, in the offline section, you can find all the books that are already downloaded to this particular device. And you can open this anytime, anywhere, and read without internet connection. Up here, you can see the level selector. It's easy to select any other levels that you would like to read books from. And the books will update accordingly in the All section. Let's see how you can search in a book. Just click on the search button in the top right corner and type in a word that you would like to read books about. Let's type in nature and click on the arrow here, and all the books that are related to this word will appear down here. You can also find books based on topics that you can find here, and you can also search the books based on the type of content. These are the flashcards, these are the karaoke songs, and these are the books. Now let's go back to the main library view and see what the child can see under their profile. Here you see many things. First of all, these are the number of coins that the child earned by reading books. These are the consecutive days that the child has spent with reading, and this is the amount of time that the child has spent reading on books. Now, Abby is a fresh starter. She hasn't really spent a lot of time with books, so you can see that these are all 0 right now, but don't worry, it will move up in a couple of days' time. Down here are the list of badges that she will earn when she reads books. After reading every book, she will be offered a badge, and once that book is completed, the corresponding badge will turn from gray to colored. Under Setting, the child can set the reading preferences. These are exactly the same that can be found in the book pages. Under Help are the frequently asked questions, and also you can read about the methodology of the BOOKR class application. And the app intro, this shows you a tutorial video about how you can use the application. There is one more important thing that I would like to show you. This little white icon, if you click on this one, you can go back to the parent profile. Just fill out this parental gate question and click Submit. And we are now back into the parent profile. I hope you found this tutorial video sequence useful, and if you still have any questions, please contact us via support@bookrclass.com and we'll be in touch with you very quickly. Thank you for watching. Bye.